What I'm going to do is select it, and I am actually going to creatively upscale it. And it's going to upscale just that image. I would pick this one if this wasn't like in a weird place, but I think I like this one a little bit more. Like how the orange just really just sticks right out. Creative upscale. And what that's going to do is going to bring the detail in the image just that much more. I'm not sure what this person is supposed to look like. Let me just take a look. Inspired by Gojo. So let me type in Gojo anime. Okay. I'm seeing the similarity. I don't see the similarity in the spiked hair as much, but we're gonna go with it anyway. I'm gonna select this one, and we're gonna creatively upscale. And this is supposed to be Nezuko. That is from Demon Slayer, if I am not mistaken. I definitely started watching that for a good little while. I have to continue finishing it. I actually saw the movie. Yeah, the only reason why I'm picking this one is because the lighting just seems to be a little bit more, makes a little bit more sense. Sailor Moon. I'm very familiar with that. I just want to make sure I'm kind of getting the hairstyle pretty similar. Sailor Moon, I think this hairstyle probably fits it just a little bit better. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Creative upscale, and let's scroll down. This is Afro-Caribbean model. I'm familiar with the hat, but I'm not really sure what the person is supposed to. Okay. Okay, definitely signature hat here. I like this a lot. This one I can't get away from. Creative. Now, as far as cohesiveness, I'm not sure if I am completely sold on the style reference, but I'm gonna still rock with it nonetheless. Mikasa, I am very familiar with her. Mikasa, as a matter of fact, that's her name. Let's go with, man, this is hard. I want to go with this one, but I want to go with this one. I think I'm gonna go with this one instead. This is Naruto. Creative upscale. This is all important to make sure that we are finding the right kind of vibe. These are just kind of, a fashion-esque way of going about things. Man, I'm in between these two here. Gloves or the punching. Okay, let's go with that one. Looks a little bit more intimidating. Let's go with the creative upscale, and bam, we got it. So we have our Sailor Moon character. We have Nezuko. We have a bunch of different styles, and it's a little different from the original because the upscale kind of just brought back in the details.